That's looking pretty exposed. Oh, jeez. You don't really realize it until after you see him gone. And it's like, woof. Gonna have to jumpstart the next phase of the fence project before long. My neighbors are gonna get nervous. There they were, and yeah, so now that I've got room, I'm gonna get a skid steer and I'm gonna move this pad and get it over closer to the line. You can see there's our line, and so this whole area here is gonna be where the actual pad for the RV is gonna be, as opposed to so close to the house. You can see there's like no room to get around the RV. Yeah. Stay tuned, folks. There'll be more progress happening over the next couple of weeks. Take care, everyone, and happy spring. Happy, safe, and healthy RVing.